When I started lifting, I believe almost everything. If the big guy got bigger arms than me, yup, he must be right. So today, let's expose my old stupid gym brain. I'm not a coach, I'm not a scientist, I'm just some guy who spent enough time in the gym to realize I believe some really dumb stuff. This one got me. The more I sweat, so sometimes I wear extra clothes, thinking I'm unlocking some secret fat loss technique.
ごめん。
Turns out, sweating sweat sweating mostly means you're hot. That's it. If sweating burns fat, everyone living in hot weather would already have abs. Protein powder is magic. Seriously though, buying protein powder is basically buying muscles like one scoop, boom, bigger arms. Turns out, protein is just food, really convenient food. If you don't train, you're just drinking expensive milk. Still tastes pretty good though. No pain, no gain. This almost got me. I thought if I were if I weren't sore the next day, my workout didn't count. So I keep chasing soreness every single time. Turns out, soreness isn't a scoreboard. Sometimes you're sore because your body isn't used to it. Sometimes you just make walking impossible. Everyone is watching me. This one is probably every beginner's. I thought everyone in the gym was secretly judging me. My form, my skinny legs, and everything. After a while, I realized nobody cared.
We do not care.
They're busy trying not to die during their workout.
Come on, look at that boss. Look at that boss. Come on, sit down.
If someone actually look at you, they're probably waiting for the machine. Looking back, beginner me believe a lot of other things. Honestly, probably still believe in some gym myths right now. I just don't know it yet. If there's one myth you used to believe, tell me. Maybe we'll embarrass ourselves together in next video.